Shanae. I'm back with a new video, and today we are going to be doing a review on the BH Cosmetics Gilded, the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded palette. I'm gonna let y'all guys know this now. I'm in love with this palette. Yes, I couldn't wait to get on go. So I couldn't wait to get on camera with this palette, but this palette is like super bomb. It has a bunch. I already touched this palette, as you can see. This has a bunch of a nice springy yellows, pinks, browns, and yeah, cool tones. Dope palette. Like, I've been using this basically for the past couple of weeks, like literally, and this has been a palette I've been touching, like hands down. I've been grabbing this palette like crazy. So I posted I posted a nice yellow shimmery, I'll call it mellow yellow. I posted that about a couple of weeks on my Instagram, and I want to definitely show you guys how I got this look. And I did achieve this look using this palette, and I'm going to show you guys which look I'm talking about. If you're not following me on Instagram, I have all my Instagram, Facebook, everything is in the description box, so follow me so you can get updated. Like, this is the mellow yellow look that I posted. I hope you can see. Yeah, this is what I did, and this was April 12th, so that was basically like literally last week. So I'm gonna just recreate this. I might not use the same foundation and stuff like that, but other than that, this is gonna be the same look. So let's get started.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate?
The Maybelline Fit Me powder. I have a review on this powder. I'm going to link that down below. I'm going to link all my recent reviews on different products in the description box, but I'm going to have them pop up. I've seen the palette. I don't know if this was really focused, but this is the palette. These are all the shades. We're going to first go in with this brown, these two brown shades here together, and I'm going to go in with my favorite blending brush right at this moment. As soon as I find it. This is It's My Ray number 6 brush. This is my favorite blending brush. I love how BH Cosmetics has this dope mirror. Like, I just be in it like this. Like, I just love this mirror. So I'm going to go in with these two browns.
Where do you go when your heart with a fever?
I'm gonna go in with a nice pencil brush, and I want to just deepen up my crease with this chocolate shade. I'm sorry about that. Okay, let's do it this way because this mirror is like super bomb. We're gonna go in with this chocolate shade right here, and I'm gonna just basically carve my crease. Favorite concealer brush. This is the MAC 212 brush. It's already, you know, I had it for so long with the freaking number of the brushes not even there. With this nice yellow shade right here, I'm gonna just put that all over the lid. As soon as I find me a brush. Basically put this yellow shade in my crease.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance.
And now, to give a little more smoke, I'm gonna go back in with that chocolate brown, and I'm gonna just basically put some out on the outer V. go in with my e.l.f. oil control to control these oils. Ooh, refreshing.
Where do you go when your heart's with a fever? Won't you scroll, but you won't leave her? Oh, here we are, all the freaks and believers, all the sweet neon dreamers. Oh, my city. Desperate. Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure? Oh, my city, she never sleeps. My city, she never weeps. My city, she keeps me alive. Give it up for my city. Oh.
Hey guys, you made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys like this mellow yellow, nice and shimmery, springy, full glam look. If you like more looks like this, more colorful, that made no sense. More colorful looks, please comment down below. Let me know anything you want to see, any products you want me to review. I have a review on this body lava. This was my last video. I'm going to definitely link that down below. And as far as this BH Cosmetics Gilded palette, Glam Reflection, I love this palette. Like, this palette is bomb. Like, first of all, this yellow shade actually showed up in my crease. I can't believe it. Like, being that I'm this skin tone, like, colors like this don't normally show up in my crease, and I freaking love it. It's super dope, and it really brings more yellow to the look. Yeah, all these colors, I haven't tried every color in this palette, majority definitely, but I don't know, this pink color, I tried it on a look before. I thought it was gonna come out exactly how it is, pink, but it came out more like a white shimmery. So I'm gonna try this shade again. I don't think I like this shade, but I'm gonna try it again because I really wanted it to show pink up on my lid. Just like this is yellow and it showed up yellow on my lid, I want the same thing for this color because this color is super pretty. But it's giving me like not really just pink, like other colors in it, like a chrome color. Because you know, you see the white, you see a little bit of blue, etc. So I really want this to really show up on my lid. But when I do a makeup look with this, I will definitely let you guys know. Other than that, this palette is bomb. I love this palette. I got this. This retails for $15.99, but I got it for $10 because they had a 48-hour sale, something like that. So this palette is bomb. This has been my favorite palette for the last couple of weeks. Like, I haven't even touched it's my Ray Ray palette, which is weird because y'all already know I love that palette. But this palette right here has been giving me life. BH Cosmetics is doing a thing. They are popping. They are changing the game. Like, with these palettes, like I just cannot. But I freaking love this palette. I'm gonna be doing more looks with this palette. What is going on? I'm gonna be definitely doing more looks with this palette. What I have on my lips today, I have on the Chestnut lip liner with my MAC Lust lip gloss. I don't usually do color lips with colorful looks like this. I would rather the look to be more about the eyes, more about the highlight. The lips, it really doesn't matter to me, but I'm definitely going to do a nude. There's a Body Love I got on. I definitely did a review on it, so y'all should check that out because it is lit. It's popping or whatever. So yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you if you subscribed. If you're new to my channel, join the team, join the Nay gang. Like, it's free 99 like I say in every other video. Everything I use will be in the description box. I have a brow tutorial. I don't really do my brows on camera because they take so long depending on the day. So I'm gonna definitely link that down below. I have it pop up in the cards. I love you guys so much. Enjoy your weekend. Today is 420. Happy 420 to all the smokers out there. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video.
Here we are, all the freaks and believers, all the sweet